So this year we top things off with having our New Year's boxes. Again, you can customize and choose any one of our amazing appetizers, and we gave you a great display on how you should even pair those with wines and your platters at home. So our boxes will be ready by December the 31st. You can come in and make an order by any time from now to the 31st to pick up your orders. And we chose to do a couple appetizers that would do really awesome with having friends and family over, and we did choose a few entrees, main courses to go along that, you know, everybody's happy. We partnered with Select to offer you an amazing array of champagnes, from the Perrier to Mum champagnes, and I think those really were a great fit with all of the items that we paired this time.